And as we count down to a new year, we look at investment themes that define 2025. And today we look at how Indians invested in 2025 and the trends to look out for 2026. Here's a report that explains more.
2025 marked a decisive shift in how Indian households managed their money. The country's traditional savings mindset gave way to a more investment-led approach. Indians invested directly into equities and mutual funds as access to investment platforms became more digital. Experts say Indians increasingly chose market-linked instruments over idle savings, and that the move reflects rising financial awareness and a search for higher real returns. Bank deposits, which were long considered the backbone of household savings, lost relative appeal during the year. While they continued to offer safety, returns struggled to outpace inflation consistently. In contrast, mutual funds emerged as the preferred gateway to wealth creation. Systematic investment plans remained resilient throughout the year with steady monthly inflows, highlighting discipline even during bouts of market volatility. Equity mutual funds, in particular, attracted first-time investors from smaller cities. Direct equity participation also gathered momentum in 2025. A strong domestic market, supported by India's economic growth narrative and robust corporate earnings, encouraged retail investors to allocate more capital to stocks. Demat account additions, stayed strong. Asset allocation choices showed increasing maturity, while equities dominated incremental investments. Debt funds, government schemes, and gold continued to play a role in balancing portfolios. Digital platforms and simplified onboarding helped investors diversify across asset classes with ease. Another notable trend was the growing comfort with financial risk. Investors showed greater willingness to tolerate short-term market fluctuations in pursuit of long-term goals, such as retirement planning. Financial literacy initiatives, easy access to data, and the rise of advisory tools played a key role in shaping this behavior. By the end of 2025, India's household financial story was no longer defined by savings alone. It was about participation in markets, disciplined investing, and a gradual but meaningful shift towards building wealth through capital markets. The year stood out as a turning point, cementing India's evolution from a nation of savers to a nation of investors. Bureau Report, WION World is One.